Yeah, so what we got here today is my white 30-inch Canarm Twister Hugger ceiling fan from May of 2001. This was installed in the cabin, but I replaced it with a 44-inch Home Decorators Collection at Ashby Park in 2021, I believe. And this thing has been in here since then. I have done some stuff. I have moved it around a bit. I had it there, then I moved it there, and then I put up a box, which I had right there. And then just recently I moved it a little while ago. I moved it to be centered on the workbench. Then I had it powered off of a 2-prong power cord, which I don't know where it is at the moment. But it's in here, I think. Yeah, that cord, this cord right here. This cord. Then I put it on this grounded power cord. So everything's grounded. It's secured quite nicely. Doesn't move a little bit, but it doesn't. It's up there secured. It ain't gonna come down. Go ahead and give you a close up. Doesn't have the globe. Well, I have the globe for it. It's just not on this fan because it's on the Litex Vortex inside. Go ahead and show you the tags on the motor. There's the date code right there, if you can read it. May of 2001. Informations tag. It might just be that one. Yeah, I'm pretty sure. It does have this tag on the side of the motor housing, but I don't know what it means. Blades are reversible from white to this like gray wood grain finish. See if I can get good light on there. And it's just got the light, which I just have this 60-watt incandescent clear bulb. I think it's a 60. The label's kind of rubbed off. Pretty sure it's a 60-watt. Yeah, I think it's a 60. The label's mostly rubbed off. Move my chair out. So there's the light. Again, it would have the globe, but that's on the fan. The Litex Vortex inside. And that one doesn't have a globe because it broke. It fell off the fan, actually. So I didn't put one on, so I just took it off of this one. I put it on that one as soon as I took this one down because it looks better with a globe. And this is the garage, so it doesn't really matter that this one doesn't have a globe. Because that one just had the... This one just had a light socket. Coming out of this light socket dangling coming out of the switch housing originally. Before I put the bowl light on there. I'll do a video of that one too. This is the 2024 Remake. There's good air. A little bit of a breeze. Of course, this one has a little bit of a better chance because the open ceiling has more air to pull than on a regular drywalled ceiling. Here's medium. Again, blows good air. This is me dealing with the light on. I'll just keep the light on because it really isn't doing much. It isn't really bothering the video too much. Here's high. It does shake a little bit, but it's honestly not too bad. Only a tiny little bit. It's very hard. It's not that noticeable though. I think you can see it a little bit, but it's not that bad. Go ahead and do spin down. That's about it. Thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later with the next video. Bye.